Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to blend two colors in Krita. So for example, I will create here a simple circle. To do it, I select here freehand brush tool, and after that I change size to 1000 and I click somewhere in the project. Then on brush presets we need to find special brush. We need to find here this one brush. It will let us to adjust color, so I click on it, and after that we need to click on this one icon on our paint layer, and then we change the color by clicking somewhere here. I will make it lighter, and then I click OK button. Now I change size of this brush maybe to 300, and then I paint our ellipse. After that I click on the color again, and I click on lighter color again, and I click OK button. I repeat this action here. And maybe I will change color to the green, so I click on green and I click OK button. I will add a green color to the upper side of this object, and now I need to add here darken color, so I will change again this color maybe to this one and I click OK button. And here I am adding a dark color, so we need to repeat this action a few times. Then you will see really great effect. So how you see, in this way you can blend two colors in Krita. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.